Elasticity is the silent hero of realism. Today, Apex Process pushes the limits of molecular resilience. At the core of our Flex Skin is a high-density cross-linking technology engineered for extreme elongation.
We begin by modifying the molecular matrix, adding a proprietary catalyst that doubles the material's tear strength.
High-speed mixing ensures the elastic fibers are distributed perfectly throughout the polymer.
Consistency at the molecular level is what allows our skins to stretch without losing their shape.
Welcome to the torture chamber. This machine will measure the exact point of failure for our latest batch.
%, 400%. Most standard silicones would have snapped by now.
Our target is 1000% elongation. That means stretching to 10 times its original length. Notice the lack of micro tears. The molecular bonds are holding firm under immense stress. The snapback. We call this molecular memory. No deformation. No sagging. Apex Silicone remembers its original form perfectly. Real-world movement isn't just about stretching. It's about torsion and twisting.
This resilience is vital for animatronics and high-motion robotic skins.
We also test for knot tear resistance, preventing a small puncture from turning into a massive rip.
The material's high surface tension actually helps heal small punctures under pressure.
Impact resistance. Our skins absorb energy, protecting the delicate internal electronics of a mannequin.
We test for elasticity in extreme environments. Our Flex Skin remains supple even in sub-zero temperatures.
Traditional materials become brittle. Apex remains fluid. Thermal resilience. We ensure that hot studio lights or outdoor heat won't degrade the stretch quality.
Durability means longevity. This machine simulates years of constant movement in just a few hours.
10,000 cycles without a single fracture. Apex engineering at its peak. Every formula is certified to survive the most demanding conditions on Earth.
For the film industry, our skins allow actors and suits to move with zero resistance.
It's the perfect marriage of strength and softness.
We can even tune the friction of the surface while maintaining extreme stretch.
Detailed texture meets heavy-duty performance. We push it until it breaks. Knowing the limit is the only way to exceed it. 1,200%. Far beyond any human movement requirement. Even at the breaking point, the material shows the purity of its chemical bond.
Even at the breaking point, the material shows the purity of its chemical bond.
We analyze every failure to refine the next generation of Flex Skin.
We customize the elasticity for different body parts, more stretch for the joints, more stability for the torso.
Innovation driven by data. Realism proven by physics. Every drop of Apex Flex skin is tracked for quality.
Its durability makes it easy to handle and ship worldwide.
You can feel the quality in every pull. Unbreakable under pressure.
This is where we define the future of high-performance art.
We never stop testing. We never stop evolving.
Apex process. Stretch your imagination. APX process. Resilient by design.